Okay, so I'm back at the land seeing what I can get done today. Most likely I'm just gonna do the burn these piles, and that's all. I was gonna try to break up the dirt with my tiller, but I'm probably gonna wait till next time when I come back and do that, because I need to get these piles burnt so they'll be out of the way. Sit here and watch this pile, you guys. Burning a little bit at a time. I had to break the piles in smaller piles. So I almost got done with this pile. I got a little bit more to go. My first pile, I'll be finished burning that pile. Then I'll be work on this pile next. And then I'll do this pile last. This time I know to burn as I chop down. Instead of making piles, when I chop it down, I'll go ahead and chop it up and burn it. So I won't have all these piles laying everywhere.